What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to review how to upload a video to YouTube from Final Cut Pro. It's not just like you hit upload and call it a day. I wish it was that easy. You definitely want to make sure you're saving it to the right place first, which is an external hard drive, and you also want to make sure you're saving it in the right format because there's a bunch of different options. So today I'm going to walk through exactly how to do all that so you can upload your first video. So let's get started. Now that you're ready to upload your first video to YouTube, the first thing you're going to want to do is set up the export settings. And to do that, go to this icon on the top right. Go down to Add Destination. Double click the icon that says Export File, and then you'll see it show up on the list on the left. Then click on it, and this is where you can set up the export settings. And I always like to rename it so I know which one it is, and to do that, just double click on it. I'll call it my export settings. So the first thing I'll do is change what's next to format, and I always make that computer. Then I change the video codec to better. I don't know what that is, but I change it to better. And then for resolution, I'm not filming in 4K or anything, so I'll just keep that at 1920 by 1080. And then for the action, I'll change that to save only. Once I'm done with that, I'll clean up the list on the left a little bit since a lot of those I don't need. So I'll move my settings to the top. Click on the ones that I don't need anymore, and then click on the minus sign to delete them. And I recommend keeping the Save Current Frame one because that's very useful in making thumbnails. So don't delete that one. Alright, now your export settings are set up and you're ready to upload your first video to YouTube. So now you can go to the video you want to upload and then choose the export icon on the top right. Choose the export settings that you just set up. Then you'll see this window. You can go to settings to make sure everything looks good. And then hit next. Okay, this is an important part here, so pay attention. Class. You're going to want to make sure you save the video to your external hard drive and not to your computer because it takes up a lot of space. So choose external hard drive on the left. Click on the copies of YouTube videos folder so it saves there. And then click save. And if you don't know how to make that folder, I walk through exactly how to do that in my how to set up an external hard drive video, and I'll link that in the description below. Now to upload it to YouTube, go to YouTube Studio and Content on the left. Then go to Create on the top right. Upload videos. Select Files. Choose your external hard drive. Choose the Copies of YouTube Videos folder. Choose the video. And then click Upload. As you can see, I have it set up so the description pre-fills with all this information. It makes my life a lot easier since I don't have to type all that information in every time. And I walk through exactly how to do that in my How to Set Up a YouTube channel, so I'll link that video below too. So from here you can change the title, make any changes to the description, I have a whole video about how to make a thumbnail, so that's coming soon. So we'll just skip that for now. Choose the playlist that you want to add it to. I keep that at no, it's not made for kids. I don't have any age restriction on it. If it was a sponsored video, I'd choose that, but it's not. I keep all those checked. I add a few tags. So I'll do something like main guide, main trip, lobsters. Just kidding. Travel guide, travel tips. You can add a video location. I guess I'll add Maine. Change the category, so I'll change this to travel. And hit next. I do always add an end screen. And I usually just import it from the latest video. And I have best reviewer. Then I have a playlist, so I'll change that to my travel guides playlist. And then I have my subscribe button. Now I'm done with the end screen, so I'll hit save. I'll keep it at private for now and then click save. Now it's uploading, and if I wanted to make any other edits, I would just go to this icon here. And I always like to schedule my videos for a specific day of the week and time, so to do that, I'll go to visibility. Then down to schedule, and I'll click the arrow next to it. I'll choose the date. I always post on Wednesdays at 10 a.m. So I will see you there Wednesdays 10 a.m. I hope everybody shows up. The only thing left to do is upload the thumbnail, and I'll walk through how to do that in the next video. Oh, make sure you hit save. Don't forget to save your changes. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and that was how to upload a video to YouTube. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and for all the other videos in this series, check out the playlist linked in the description below. And I'll see you next week.